Alright, so I'm going to preview this scene. We got two sites in here. When I push this, I get some coins and dollar bills coming out. Which are really a lot. You can see it really goes slow. And then on my sliders, I got two variables. Slider 1 and count, and they both start at 0. And the count is times 8 of slider. And each time I move the slider over, I get more. Yeah. So, so I'm gonna go to the engine first. There we go. We have particle count, particle size, burst, spread, and gravity. We also have colors. We have confetti colors as well, so you can put these. And if you want to use your own image, you can put in the folder images, and then my logo, or where just direct it to where it needs to be. And after that, you can look at all this if you want, but all the configurable stuff is right here. Here's how SVG works. So this is a dollar symbol. It has its code to make everything there, or the heart. So that's the code to make a heart. So that's okay. On particle call, you can this happens when I press the button. It does dollars and coins, and it does. So that's the type, the X percentage, the Y percentage, count, 30 radius, how far it goes this way, and height, how far it shoots up. And that's all that there is to that. And on this one, all we're doing is making these look towards something else. So I have a slider value that I get from slider 1, and I have a counter that I just so I can see it, I push that back out to count, so you can see what's happening there. So dollars. And so on here we got confetti, stars, hearts, check mark, correct, coins, dollars, and money. These are these are the same. These are the same. These three are the same. They're just whatever you want to call them, coins and dollars. So you can change this to dollars and coins. Then we got where I did about 50% and 30% down, so somewhere around right around here. And then count. So count goes mouse around and slide value times 8. So the count equals whatever this is times 8. So dollars, 50, 30, count 10, 10. So that's the only differences for the count. It's going to our variable count, and that's just a times value of slider. So you can change this to be whatever you want. If you want it to be more or less, you just change that button. And so yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and have a good day. If you like this, like it. If you love this video, subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.